Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to jump into the July IPSY Glam Bag Plus with a full review of everything inside and a reveal of all of the products. I do have my IPSY app in front of me so that I can go through every single product in detail, what I like and what I don't. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the IPSY Glam Bag Plus with me, stay tuned. Now this is one of those months where I actually find the bag to be really cute. There are some months where, like, last month's popsicles were kind of cute, but not something I would ever use. This is something that I could see myself using. Now the IPSY Glam Bag Plus is the $30 or so a month subscription box. And when we look at this, we're going to see, is this bag box, I'm going to say box a lot, but I mean bag. Is this IPSY Glam Bag worth the cost, or would you be better off taking your money, going to Ulta or Sephora or Target and buying separate product and going with that instead? Now, another thing I do want to remind you is this is sent to me in PR. They do want honest feedback, and I will always give you my full honest review. They are not paying me. This is not sponsored. If I don't like it, you are going to know. Now, I'm going to spoil this a little bit for you, but this is a win of a box for me because the first product out of it is a holy grail ride or die product that I am absolutely in love with, that I have been raving about on my channel for literally years. Hands down, holy grail staple, and we're going to jump right in. This is the Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier Broad Spectrum SPF 45. Now this is a mineral sunscreen that will also mattify and control shine. When I lived in Florida, when I lived in New York, this was one of the best products, and still to this day, one of my favorite sunscreens on the market. Retailing for $48, which is above the retail price of the Glam Bag. This item makes it pay for itself. This sunscreen with skincare capabilities, this lightweight oil-free moisturizer with SPF helps to deliver 10 hours of oil, shine, and pore control thanks to conditioning avocado and African yellow wood bark extract. Use daily and apply to your face and neck and chest. It is 100% cruelty-free. Now, I am in love with this product and have been absolutely for years. It is a fantastic sunscreen, great if you get shiny. I used to use this as a moisturizer under my primer before I went in with makeup. And when I was in makeup for 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 hours, when I was, full beat, when I was doing trainings with Sephora, or when I was, out in the world, my makeup would last just as well the second I put it on until the end of the day. And this was the product that I gave that full credit to. Holy grail, ride or die, amazing. The next item is another product I'm a big fan of. This is from Volition, and this is the Screen Time Hydra Mist, retailing for $29. This superfine spray packs a punch with safflower, Indian ginseng, and sunflower extract to help keep your skin hydrated, nourished, and protect against blue light emitted from your phone and computer. Hold the bottle about 12 inches from your face and spray while your eyes are closed. Apply throughout the day or as needed. It will also help with fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and redness. Now, I am not going to be opening this just now because I have so many mists open. I'm going to show you the two that I'm loving right now. This one is from Item Beauty. It is the Screen Break Blue Light and Anti-Pollution Face Mist. I also got this from IPSY, and the way you use it is just like this, 12 inches from the face, and you just mist everywhere. I definitely go in very generously because I love the way it feels and I love the way it smells. I'm also really enjoying the Florence by Mills Zero Chill Face Mist. This is more of a hydrating face mist or a facial refresh more than it is something like this, which is going to be blue light protection. But I have gone through this in the past. I also really like their mattifying mist. It's like the liquid blotting paper. Volition has some amazing products. I've been raving about them for years. So right now, just with these two products, this is a win. Next, from the brand Vamigas, this is the Rosa Mosqueta Infused Lip Oil in the shades Valentina and Sophia. Retailing for $28, these lip oils are infused with Latin American's most legendary serum. This fragrance-free lip oil applies sheer with a hint of color, giving you a natural but gentle color enhanced. Apply over bare lips or over your favorite lipstick to create a glossy finish. It is a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, omega-3, omega-6, fatty acids used to help keep the skin healthy and supple. Now, I'm not a huge fan of lip oils, but these ones do look really pretty. I am going to be filming a video, I'm actually filming it after this, using all of the makeup products that I've gotten in various subscription boxes over the course of this month, because this month there really wasn't enough in each box to warrant doing a full face of makeup. So we're going to put everything to the test at once, and I'm going to try that in that video. Next, from the brand WingMe Cosmetics, this is the Ambitious Violet Palette, retailing for $24. Like a wearable wildflower field, add a pop of color to your look with this 8 high-impact eyeshadows in soft berry and rich violet tones. That's actually really pretty. These velvety powders are infused with marigold to add anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Mix and match the shades across your lids. You can't go wrong. Also cruelty-free and paraben-free. Now, these are some really pretty colors, all in that purpley family. I love that this purple is as dark as it is because it means that you can actually use this on a variety of skin tones. Lately, I feel like most of the palettes we've been getting in these subscription boxes have been very fair and light skin friendly and not super great for deeper complexions. And this one I think could work well for both. I don't think it's the perfect palette for deep complexions. I don't think it's the perfect palette for lighter complexions, but for an 8-shade palette to be able to be used by pretty much anyone, I do think it is a good option, and I will be giving it a try in an upcoming video. And the last item comes from Item Beauty. This is the Boost Juice Dual-Ended Lash Primer and Colored Mascara in Blue and Lilac. This is a 3-in-1 conditioning primer and colored mascara to visibly volumize, lengthen, and nourish your lashes, retailing for $18. As a primer, use the lilac shade for volume and the blue side for length. As a mascara, apply either color from root to tip. The primer and mascara duo helps to strengthen your lashes for optimal growth. So it looks like this is both colors can be used either on their own or layered under something else. I do like when a lash primer is colored, and this is definitely something I'm going to have to give a try. I do have a mascara I want to test out, so I'm not going to use it with that, but this is definitely something I do want to give a test to, so I'll be trying that in the upcoming video. Now, all in this box had a retail value of $147, which for 5 products I think is really good, and there were no fails in this box. I did give the Glam Bag Base Bag a pretty rough review because I wasn't a huge fan of everything in it, but this I'm really happy with. Just to get the Murad, this box is absolutely worth it, no questions asked. As always, I would love to hear what you have to say. Please let me know down below. Do you think this bag was worth it, and how do you think it stacks up to the other unboxings this month? Is it better than BoxyCharm Premium or Base? Is it better than the Base Glam Bag? You tell me. As always, thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.